Trump's tariffs and shifting geopolitical winds have pulled India and China closer. That could undercut the US-led Quad and lead to the emergence of new Asian trade bloc, say analysts. 5 years ago, United States President Donald Trump was being welcomed in India and China condemned. In February 2022, Trump addressed a massive rally titled Namaste Trump in Ahmedabad on his first visit to India as US President. Bilateral ties and trade soared, and the American leader's personal bonhomie with Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on public display. By June that year, relations with China, on the other hand, came crashing down. 20 Indian soldiers were killed in clashes with Chinese troops in Galwan Valley in the Ladakh region. India banned more than 200 Chinese apps, including TikTok, and Indian Chinese troops lined up along their disputed border in an eyeball-to-eyeball standoff. New Delhi expanded defense and strategic cooperation with the US and the Quad grouping, officially the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, which also included Japan and Australia. As recently in May this year, India treated China as its primary adversary after Pakistan used Chinese defense system and during its 4-day war with India after a deadly attack in Indian administered Kashmir. But Trump's tariff was especially against India, which has been slapped with a 50% duty on its imports, and rapid geopolitical shifts have led to thaw in New Delhi relations with Beijing. The White House under Trump, meanwhile, political analysts say, is undoing decades of diplomatic and strategic gains fundamental to its influence in Asia, home to more than 60% of world's population. Earlier this week, Prime Minister Narendra Modi sat down with China's top diplomat, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, as he hailed respect for each other's interest and sensitiveness and steady progress in bilateral relations. On his 2-day visit to New Delhi, Wang also met with Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval to discuss the country's disputed border issues. Thank you.